The idea behind is to combine equations until we figure out each unknown. Pay attention to the coefficients of x, y, and z in our first example. The first two equations have the same amount of x's and z's. Subtracting the first from the second, we eliminate x's and z's and end up with 1y. Subtracting the right-hand side, 12 minus 9, we end up with 3. Y equals 3. Similarly, subtracting the first from the third equation, we eliminate both x's and y's, and we end up with z equals 4. All we have to do is replace these two unknowns in any of the equations so we can figure out the third unknown x. Using the first equation is simple enough. X plus 3 plus 4 equals 9, so x must be 2. This other system of equations have different coefficients for x and z, so it's not that straightforward. If we minus the first from the second equation, we end up with 1x plus 2z equals 11. We have eliminated y. If we now minus the first from the third equation, we end up with 1x plus z equals 7. We have eliminated y again. Now, we repeat the process. Which one do you think we should try to eliminate this time? That's right, the x's, because we have the same amount. So by subtracting both equations, 1z equals 4. X must be 3 and y must be 2. In this new example, eliminating z's using the first two equations is pretty straightforward. All we have to do is subtract them. X plus 2y equals 10. However, if we want to eliminate z's using the third equation, we are going to have to scale things up. Multiplying the first equation by 2 leads to 2x plus 2y plus 2z equals 18. Subtracting this new equation from the third one leads to 4x plus 2y equals 16. We have managed to eliminate the same unknown z. Now, subtracting these two new equations gets rid of the y's. 3x equals 6, so x equals 2, y equals 4, and z equals 3. In our next lesson, we are going to learn a cleaner and quicker way to solve a system of equations called row reduction. The mathematics behind are the same that the elimination method used in this video, but it tends to be quicker because we only write the coefficients of our equations and the constants at the end. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!